Some of these guys got trailers with subs, they reloaded in lunch. That's not me.
Oh yeah, no, I can't do that. When I blew, I was like, I'm cars is down for the day. Yeah, I was like, I'm done too.
Yeah, I've been trying to convince wifey to have to wall.
Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
How you doing? Woo. Can I come in?
You can leave the door open.
I do YouTube videos. Can you give me a rundown real quick, man?
Yes, 4 BTL 415s on 4 MD8Ks. I can't maintain voltage to save my life right now because my alternator is failing on me.
Okay.
But I have a 95 amp hour C-Max.
Okay.
But I'll still play until I
Did you build this?
No, so the wall's not built. I actually bought the shell as is from a dude named Andrew.
Yeah. Okay. Do you know the tuning on it?
Right about 3600.
36?
Yes.
Have you metered it?
Yes. Currently I'm 158.8.
Wow.
Yeah. So it used to do a 61, so I'm trying to get back to that 61.
Okay.
Not there yet.
How you doing? Some of these guys got trailers with subs, they reloaded in lunch. That's not me.
Oh yeah, no, I can't do that. When I blew, I was like, I'm cars is down for the day. Yeah, I was like, I'm done too.
Yeah, I've been trying to convince wifey to have to wall my golf. I have a four-door. I'm the back world champion. But it doesn't demo, so I don't matter to these guys.
Yeah.
The people who compete know me for sure, but I've been telling wifey I don't want to compete anymore. I want to wall my shit and just go musical. I got 4 DC5Ks at the house and 2 of the 415s. I just have to convince myself. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear. You want to get in?
Oh, Lord. Like I smell. Yeah, I just had I go out if you want. I'm a young CEO, sure, yeah. First nigga play. Just talk about it. Love these crazy, don't think with your hoe. Both know they hot just like go hit the bank. 100. Got a little mileage, I'm chillin'. Let me step all in front of you. Broke until I pop out with $1 million. And take 20K. Go ahead and make one of you. Like I hit the lottery, nigga. I was slept. Nigga, no talking. I
Thank you for that, man.
Hey, no problem
That's
at
what,
all.
and it demos well with this one open, that one shut.
Exactly.
And it goes both ways.
That's why I love it so
Yep.
much.
Yes, sir.
I'm always good one
And you got
that door open here tricks, man.
Exactly.
What was your name?
Dre.
Dre, Jacob.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Dre. Good job, man.
All right.
Have fun today.
Thank you.
Oh, they're good. Thank you, sir. That thing right there is getting it. That is my fault right there.
How you doing?
Packing the mail, it's gone. She like I smell. Yeah, I just had the deal, I'm on. Yeah. I go where I want, good. Play if you want. I'm a young CEO, sure, yeah. First nigga play. Left in your hood and come buy me a nigga, no cap, you know. Crazy, don't think that she lied to you, nigga. Bitch, you caught with your hoe. Both now they hot just like Bobby and Whitney. Shit, like I don't know, but fuck it, I'm obviously winning. Don't make me go hit the bank. Honey, to show you our pockets is different. I'm out. Knowledge, she got a little mileage, I'm chillin'. Let me mess up all in front of your partners and children. I'm broke until I pop out with $1 million. It take 20K. We had to make one of your partners come kill you. Get safe up. Like I hit.
How you doing?
Thank you, sir. Oh, they're good. Thank you, sir. That thing right there is getting it. That is my fault right there.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.